Welcome back. Four-member committee of the GPCC is yet to prepare a report on Cortalim bipole episode. The report on Cortalim bipole would be ready by next week. GPCC President says that they would decide on the action to be taken only after the committee submits its report. Sources say that Congress has put on hold organizational restructuring plans as no one is ready to shoulder major responsibilities.
Four-member committee of GPCC is in process of preparing report on Cortalim bipole coup. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar, Pratap Singh Rane, Digambar Kamath and Reginald Lawrence are members of the committee.
आज इन्क्वायरी करपा संबंधी 4 जणांची कमिटी अपॉइंट केल्ली आसा. त्या कमिटीचो रिपोर्ट फुडल्या आठवड्यात दिलो वतलो.
अजून रिपोर्ट तयार जाल्लो ना.
अजून रिपोर्ट तयार जावना. तो रिपोर्ट फुडल्या आठवड्यात तयार जातलो आणि दिलो वतलो.
गोयचे कोण कोण लीडर असतले ते रिपोर्ट तयार करपाक?
सतत हांव आसा, दिगंबर कामत आसा आणि राणे साहेब आसा आणि रिजनल आसा आमदार.
All people have laid their eyes on the Congress party to find out the future developments in the party. GPCC President has cleared the doubts that there will be no developments in the Congress party till next week.
रिपोर्टाच्या नंतर हायकमांडान थारावपाचें आसता. त्याशिवाय हायकमांडाची वेगळी रिपोर्टाची आसा पद्धत आसा जाणून घेवपाची कशे पद्धतीन जालें कितें जालें म्हणटा तें. सो ताजेर अजून पर्यंत कार्यवाही कोणाची काय जावना. पेपराचेर ह्या बाजून त्या बाजून चुकीची माहिती येता. अजून काय जावना. कितें एक्शन घेवपाचें तें हायकमांड नंतर ठरयतले. सध्या तरी अजून रिपोर्टच जावना न्ही त्यामुळे ताजेर कितें जाता सांगू शकना.
Sources say that party is confused as no senior leader is ready to take responsibility of rebuilding the party organization. A reporter from Panji Laukik Shirkar.
Goa Marathi Film Festival will be held on 8th, 9th and 10th of June. 4 theatres have been booked for showcasing 17 films at the festival. The inaugural film for the festival will be Ajanta by Nitin Desai. Dag by Shivaji Patil will be the closing film. Director and writer of Marathi films Sai Paranjpi will inaugurate the 3-day festival.
पण उदय आणि गड्या आपला गांव बरा ही 2 मराठी गोंयांत केल्ली फिल्मां आसात. 2 नवीन फिल्मां ढग आणि गाजराची पुंगी ही दोन्ही रिलीज जावना. आणि ढगाचं तर प्रीमियर आम्ही एक स्पेशल फंक्शन करूनच करतले. तर गाजराची पुंगी तिने सुद्धा आपल्या सगळ्या कास्टा म्हणजे येता अशें सांगलां. जरी आमी एकदम सहसा विनोदी फिल्मां आमी जरी हें करना तरी नवीन असल्या कारणान आणि बरे बरे एक्टर भितर असल्या कारणान ते गाजराची पुंगी आमी म्हणजे प्रीमियर करचे असो. दोन नवीन फिल्म. शॉर्ट फिल्माचे सिलेक्शन अशा तरेन जाला की आमी म्हणजे 5-6 वर्सांनी अशी पळयल्या फिल्मां धाकटी 2-3 मिनटाची. इवन आमी सुद्धा ऑर्गनायज करताले. सो बरी फिल्माची आमी आसा न्हू तीच 7 ते 8 फिल्मां आमी सिलेक्ट केल्या.
4 screens have been booked this year so that all the people are accommodated in the theatres.
आर्ट एंड कल्चरा कडल्यानच मेळटा आणि काय मेळना.
ESG आणि कला अकादमी त्यांचे व्हेन्यू दिता.
पण आयनॉक्साक आमी पे करतले ह्या वेळा. पण म्हणजे ऑफकोर्स आमकां थोडे कन्सेशन दिला तेंच्यांनी पण पे करतले आमी म्हणून.
4
स्क्रीन नंबर 4.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chogule students had an opportunity to visit Sweden as a part of their student exchange program. The main aim of the college is to improve global experience of students and understand civic differences between Goa and other places. Chogule students, as a part of its annual cultural exchange program with Sweden, organized a trip to Sweden. 13 students along with 4 faculty members visited 4 high schools in Sweden. Students had a 2-week stay in the country where they were introduced to various aspects of the country and their lifestyles. They were also given the opportunity to interact with the diplomats and the city authorities of Sweden.
The education system there is much lower compared to us. They use a lot of information technology to interact with their students. They use things like smart boards, making the lecture more interactive. Sweden is very eco-friendly. The transport there is buses and trains mostly, and the buses work on biogas. The trains are electric, so it's a very clean place.
There the weather is very different, the location is very different. So I guess the people and its culture is also very different from Goa.
Vice Principal of Chogule College, E.M. Travaso informed the main aim behind the venture of students in Sweden.
The reason why Chogli College decided to have this exchange program with foreign institutions is to provide the students with global exposure. Today we are in fact thinking on lines which is beyond textbook education. We want to provide the students with soft skills, and one of the soft skills that we want to provide is for them to understand how to work in a cross-cultural environment.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. Aggrieved people in Madgaon have asked the Madgaon municipality and the government to take cognizance of the feast fare encroachment on the roadside. They say it causes tremendous hardships for the people. They have asked the authorities to shift the fare from the roadside to the SGPDA ground.
Every year this fair encroaches the roadside and the pavements of Madgaon. This particular fair comes once in a year for Holy Spirit Feast. The fair is also known as Purumetachi Ferry. But this causes a lot of trouble to people plying on the road. A huge place is encroached by the vendors and the merchants to display their goods. Hence it becomes difficult for the vehicles and the people to cross the roads.
आम्ही या सरकाराक लागीं मागताय म्युनिसिपालिटी कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी कोण आहा पळय ते ही जे फेर पळय मांडटाय ती शिफ्टिंग कोण हे ओपन स्पेसिफिक एसपीडे ह्या त्या दुकानार घालची म्हणून ही आमचे मागणे हिंगा एक टायमार गाडी व्हरोंक मेळना एक एम्बुलन्स खंय पास जावपाक मेळना इतले लोकां बर्डन जाता ते तेणी दड ती करचे आनी लोकां त्यो मोटरसायकल थिंग दवरता पार्क करता ते फुटपाथ आख्खी ब्लॉक जाता हे तेणी दड ती कोण करपाक जाय
तेन्ना त्या सरकारान कांय केलें ना आतां बीजेपी सरकारान तर येवन हें पळोवपाचें ह्या लोकांक कसले त्रास जाताय ते हिंगा आख्खे ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता फुटपाथी वयल्या लोकांक चलपाक फुटपाथ केल्या ह्या फेर घालताय आतां हे दी व्हडलें हिंगा एसपीडी ग्रावंड आहा ते एसपीडी ग्रावंडार घालची म्हणून आमी मागताय ते थोडे आमी एगेन्स्ट नाय फेरेचेर ही फेरी जी घालताय एक ट्रेडिशन जास्त न्ही हिंग व्हडले उलुगार 10 फेरी घालपाक जाता एसपीडी बिल्डिंग ग्रावंडाचेर व्हडली व्हडली एक्झिबिशन येताय व्हडली व्हडली येता त्या थंय ते एसपीडीचे घालपाक दिताय आनी ह्यो फेरी आनी हिंग घालपाक जाय लोकांक त्रास करपाक 8 दीस लोकांक ट्रॅफिकाक त्रास जाता हांगा आख्खे ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता.
The Holy Spirit Feast will be celebrated on Sunday and the merchants have already taken up their places. People have asked the BJP-led government to shift the fair on SGPDA ground as it remains for more than 7 days. A reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Sports segment coming up after a short break. Stay tuned.